Hi everyone, and welcome to Makeup with Addie. Today I figured I would do a half face look since I clearly spent way too much time in the sun this weekend and I have no idea how the makeup is gonna look because my skin feels horrendous right now. So I guess we can show you the power of makeup today. Alright, so to start off, I'm gonna prime my face with the Revolution Pore Blur Primer. And I think I'm gonna do this side of my face just because my right side's always my best side. I'm gonna leave this side completely empty. Oh, my skin actually hurts so much. And you know, I did put sunscreen on, but turns out it was expired, so I'm a tomato. Alright, so next up I'll use the Catrice HD Liquid Coverage Foundation in the shade Nude Beige. I'm just going to drop some on the back of my hand. And then with a foundation brush, I'm just going to buff this into my skin. This is probably the best foundation I have ever used in my life. The coverage is unreal. I mean, look at this. So already there is a very noticeable difference, and we've just started. Okay, then I'm now going to use the Maybeline Instant Anti-Age Eraser Concealer in the shade, what is this? Warm Light. I'm going to put this right under my eye in a triangle. Okay, that looks like a lot better. It's not. Just like that, and then I'm gonna use the Essence Camouflage Concealer to brighten this little bit of my forehead here. My nose, Cupid's bow, and chin. Okay, next up I'm going to set my face with the Essence You Better Work waterproof fixing powder. And now using the MAC Studio Fix Sculpt and Shape Contour Palette, I'm going to contour half of my face with the Sculpt shade. Yeah, this is the Sculpt shade. And I will apply that on my cheekbones, just like that. And then my jawline, as well as my forehead. And lastly, I'll contour my nose. Now I'll be doing blush. I'm using the Revolution Blusher Reloaded in the shade Lovestruck. And I'm going to put that right above my contour. Okay, so next up I'll use highlighter. This is the Revolution Highlighter Reloaded in the shade Just My Type. And I'll put that where the light naturally bounces off. Okay, next up I'll be doing my eyebrows using the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit in the shade Ash Brown. I'm using the lighter shade of the two. okay, so it's a little wonky, but it's alright. Next up, I'll use the Sephora Tinted and Cooling Eye Primer in the shade Matte Beige to prime my eyelids. Well, my eyelid. Okay, so I figured today I would use my little Connie Transform palette, since it's a nice little gem that I forgot I had. The colors are so pigmented, it's wonderful. So I think I'll start with the shade Nomvula and use that for my transition color, right above my crease. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade Christie and blend that just beneath the first color. Next, I'm going to use the shade CC for the outer corner. I'm not really sure what I'm doing here, I just hope it turns out okay. Okay, now I think I'll use the shade Easter and put that right next to the blue CC. Okay, now I'm just going to do a small cut crease right in front here so that I can have a bright color there. Damn, that's finished. And then with a flat brush, I'm going to add the shade Ireland right on top. I don't like that at all. Okay, so I'm just gonna take this purpley shade here, Lynette, and try to fix this awful green. There we go, that's much better. Okay, so since I've kind of blended away that nice color, I'm just gonna add this Easter in the corner again, right next to the blue. Okay, that's pretty. So I'm just going to do the same colors on my lower lash line quickly. There we go, it's so pretty. Okay. Next up, I'm going to do eyeliner using the BYS Black Magic Gel Eyeliner with a angled brush. I'm just going to do a little wing. Now for some mascara, I use the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect. This is the waterproof one. Okay, I'm just going to stick on some lash, well, one strip lash quickly. Ew, pretty. Okay, so lastly, for lipstick, I'm going to use the Catrice, the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit in the shade E926B Berry Recognize. To line my lips, I'll be using the Essence Soft Contouring Lip Pencil in the shade 15 Something Different. That is so funny looking. Wow. And there we go. That's the completed look. That is so weird. Look at this. It's beautiful. Beautiful. But then this. No. Makeup is amazing, people. It is everything. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll post a video every Tuesday. I've actually been doing that every single Tuesday. I haven't skipped one since I've started again, so this time we're sticking to it. Okay, well, I I hope you guys have a nice day. Bye.